So you got 8 people in the house. You know, cooking can be kind of difficult, especially try to get everybody to like everything, and it's just really not possible. You got to do the best you can. Cooking on a budget, keeping things cheap. So we have a whole turkey, and we ate on a little bit, ate the good spots. Now I'm using all the good white meat. We'll be making basically what we call as pollo loco, which is just kind of chicken with cheese and on top of rice. It's kind of a Mexican or a Spanish dish or whatever you want to call it. And it's just kind of my version of it, which is probably not as good as the restaurants, but still pretty good, I think. So we got all the good meat off of that whole chicken that's cooking here. And this is all that's left, all the bones, all the fat, all the tissues, all the skin from that chicken, that whole chicken, all the bones are in there. And I'm just simmering this inside of some water, and I'm just trying to draw that stock and that broth out of them bones, because this is going to be tomorrow's supper, and we're going to be basically true ramen, not the kind of ramen that you get in the 25-cent packets or whatever with all kinds of weird stuff in it. This is going to be true ramen, but this is going to be and make up the broth from it. There's still a lot of nutrients in there, a lot of health benefits to eating this. Super good for you. So we're going to get every little bit that we can, and so all the little bones and parts and fragments that don't make it into that we'll be feeding to the livestock. So really nothing has gone to waste with that chicken. Like that fucking awesome. Just straining all the bones and stuff off of the stock for tomorrow night's supper. Beautiful chicken stock there. That one looks like it's got a dark mess in it.
A yes on that one. It's the one that was a document. This is one. So I don't know if you can see that or not.
Yeah,
it's right there.
Yeah. See the line. All right, so another snow day. Kids go back to school tomorrow, maybe, but we're out. Gonna go check on all the animals, and first things first, gotta get these guys bottle fed here. Are they in there? Oh, they're way in the back. This is like obviously the first time they've been more than just like where their little rooting spots are. They're trying to figure out how to get there without getting in the snow. That one's just like, the heck with it, I'm going in, boys. God, it's way over their freaking feet. chickens are not having it outside, are you? That's frozen solid. They need more hay. You guys are going through the hay, ain't you? Yeah, let's get them another. I guess I'll get them another bale. See, Pop-Tart's staying inside, isn't he? Yeah. You need some more hay, bub?
He's got hay right there.
He's got plenty of hay. He's just like not wanting to go outside. Just gonna chill in here today. Give them all their own 3 piles.
That's the problem.
Right. Well, we held out on giving them hay for as long as possible, but with this kind of snow, I'm glad we have it on hand. And we should have plenty because we save so much to get us through the winter without having to buy it. So they definitely are eating it now and going through it pretty fast, might I add. Here you go, buddy. You sure like playing in the snow, don't you? Look at your face. Why do you like that? Why do you like the snow so much? Oh, yeah, I see. We got a post down, don't we? Thankfully, he didn't want to go anywhere. See, that's why I hate these stupid things. Look, that snapped right off. Great. Yeah, I don't like these plastic posts at all. They suck. If you bend them, they do run the risk of snapping off really easy when it's cold like this. So just be careful. Yeah, there you go. It's probably good enough. He doesn't really want to escape. It's just that we need to, you know, keep him from trying. Okay, that's better. Hang on, buddy. It'll be warmer before you know it. So this is the beetles, the domestic beetles. I don't think I've showed these yet, but this is a part of my side hustle. I got a bear skull in there right now that they're eating on. So they're just eating all the meat off of that, and when the meat's gone, I'll use a solution, get it nice and white, and give it back to the owner. It's kind of a little taxidermy side business that I do. Lots of fun. And this is my enclosure here for my domestic beetles. And it's the pain right now, especially because you got to keep these things pretty warm. So I like to keep them about 75 degrees. So we're about 72 right now. So, and I just opened the lid, so they went down to 68.7. But yeah, it's awful fun trying to keep these suckers warm. But yeah, it brings in a good amount of money and extra income. Probably. I just flipped the lid off here overnight. Got a couple ones. Look, there you go. And then we'll pour some on the lid. Put some right here. That's good. So we'll reset it and see if we can catch some more. Definitely gonna have to clean my coat because that's gonna stink. I really should start putting them in a basket instead of my pocket. All right, now I want to go in and get cleaned up. You get rambunctious, dude.
The plastic bags are not good for you.
I think baby goats are better than cable.
They're so funny.
Getting hungry again, dude?
You're always.
Your mama. Congratulations, mama.